Continuing our team coverage today, I'll send it over to Nikita Ramos live in our Corning Bureau. Nikita, what have you learned about carbon monoxide detection?
Thank you, Grayson. Good evening, everyone. Carbon monoxide is actually known as the silent killer, and here are a few tips to take away to avoid being a victim. Even though it's not mandated to have a carbon monoxide detector, officials highly recommend installing one in your home. Carbon monoxide is created by incompleted burning gasoline, natural gas, charcoal, or other fuels. It's known as the silent killer because carbon monoxide has no smell or color. This makes it hard for people to determine whether or not they've been poisoned.
If you're feeling nauseous, sick for just an unknown reason in your home, don't be afraid to immediately call 911. The fire department will come out and investigate it and check for COs if possible.
The symptoms can vary depending on how long or short of a period of time a person may have been exposed. Calling 911 should be the first step of action if carbon monoxide poisoning is suspected. But the ultimate guard for you and your family is a carbon monoxide detector.
Carbon monoxide detectors will beep 4 times, pause, 4 times, pause, as that just did. That means it's detecting carbon monoxide. That means there's a problem. You should move to fresh air immediately and call 911.
Battery slots are often located on the side of the detector. Some require a 9-volt battery, like this one right here. These detectors should be checked and replaced every half a year to ensure the safety of you and your family. Now, if you need help with getting started with a new carbon monoxide detector, installation companies can help determine where and how to set up the right system for your home. Reporting live in our Corning Bureau, I'm Nikita Ramos, 18 News.